Hello everyone, today at ModelsLab we are launching our product workflow. We have made a workflow very easy to use. It's simple drag and drop. Let me give you an example. On the left side, you will see all the APIs our platform has to offer. Whether it is text to image, image to video, text to video, audio generation, 3D generation, or LLM. You will get all over here. Now let's assume I want to generate image to video. I need an image for that, right? I can simply come over here, flux image, connect the node, create, enter a prompt over here. Adjust your settings, your parameters on the right side. Sorry, on the right side. Okay. Now I want the generated images that it will generate to be in video format. I need to save my workflow, give it a name, or like I would like to keep it a default. I can just say click over here, execute the workflow, and there you go. My image has been generated. I'm waiting for my video now. I can also look at my logs. So all the logs are coming over here.